In this video, we will be unboxing the new Network Service Edge or NSE 3000 from Cambium Networks. On the back of the box, you will find a QR code that you can access the NSE 3000 user guides. When we open the box, we'll find the Quick Start Guide, the power supply cord, optional mounting screws, and the NSE 3000 itself. On the back of the device, we'll find the connection ports. First is the power supply, then 6 different ports to connect your NSE to your network, a console port, 2 USB ports, and the reset button.